Good morning, students. Yeah, in the last class we completed your characteristics of staffing. Today we are going to understand what are the importance of staffing and benefits or concept of human resource management or HR department. Why we need to have the HR department? What are the things that the HR department would do for your organization? That we will study today. So, and to be very frank, let me remind all of you this from this chapter. Most probably 5 markers question will be asked. So I want all of you to learn all the points very accurately. सारे points अच्छे से learn करेंगे and practice long questions from this chapter. Okay. So with this note, let us start with our topic today. Okay, students. So in the last class, we did our characteristics of staffing. Today we are going to start with importance of staffing. Okay, so let us start with our topic. First and foremost importance of staffing is that it is a driving force. It is a driving force. Driving force का मतलब क्या होता है? It helps to, there are certain factors, that is your, as I told you, men, money, machine, material, methodology. तो मशीन को चलाने के लिए कौन चाहिए? Men, ठीक है. मनी को कन्वर्ट करने के लिए इन प्रॉफिट मेकिंग बिजनेस it is men. So it is a men power, men's physical or mental work which drives machine or money, or men is the one who makes methods. तो ठीक है. So the thing is, it is a driving force for all other factors. Second, it is a dynamic activity. Second क्या है? It is a dynamic activity. Dynamic activity का मतलब क्या है? It helps you to, you can say, purchase raw material for production and everything you are purchasing for business. ठीक है. So all this raw material and you can say purchase of raw material is done by your manpower. Then they convert the goods, raw material जो भी है आपका, उसको convert करते हैं into finished goods. They convert the raw material into finished goods. वो finished goods में उसको convert करके देते हैं. ठीक है. Next is your important function of management. Important function of management मतलब it helps functions like coordinating, directing, controlling, planning, etc. These functions cannot, you can say, success without your staff. Staff is the driving force for all the activities which are done in the organization, that we have already done. Next is job satisfaction. Now for job satisfaction, HRM department, they work for the complaint or problems of employees. Staffing is not just recruitment. Staffing is about hearing problems of your employees. So they hear the employees' problem and they also encourage them to give their best. Yes or no? So it helps you to, you can say, create job satisfaction for your job in the organization. Okay. So after job satisfaction, the next point is harmony in relation. Harmony in relation means when you solve the problem of the employees and when you do delegation of work, do decentralization of work, it creates a job satisfaction and helps a cooperative relationship between the organization people. It creates cooperation and coordination. ये cooperation coordination create करता है and increases the, you can say, work environment. Better work environment is created in the organization. Next is it increase in the prestige. Prestige of the organization कैसे increase होती है? Because your employees are your invaluable assets. वो टेक्स आपकी जो गुडविल है, it adds to your goodwill. Like for example, having Bill Gates अगर बिल गेट्स आपकी कंपनी के लिए काम करना शुरू कर दे, as an employee, he is an entrepreneur, we all know, but if Bill Gates starts working for your company, it will increase your you can credibility. आपके शेयर्स की प्राइस रातों रात बढ़ जाएगी. सेम वे एनी अदर पर्सन, मे बी मिस्टर टाटा, रतन टाटा. अगर रतन टाटा आपकी कंपनी को रिप्रेजेंट करे, तो when we have good employees, it adds to the prestige of the organization. Yes or no? You might have seen certain institutes to, you can say, highlight their employees that this person is working with our company as a CEO of a company or as in the board of directors. Yes or no? So the employees increase the prestige of a company. Last but not the least, it is a continuous process. It is a continuous process. Staffing, as I told you, it starts from recruitment. Staffing starts from recruitment and ends at retirement. But when person retires, you will again recruit a person. So it is a continuous process, and it helps to create the working environment or the organization which would be helpful for earning profit. ये never ending जो process है, it ends helps to earn the maximum profit, I would say, for the organization. Okay, this is all about your importance of staffing. Let us move further. Staffing as a part of human resource management. What is human resource management? Human resource management is you can say department which takes into consideration the process of planning. It takes into consideration the process of planning for required number of staff. Okay, required staff. It also takes into consideration the good employees. They recruit them, train them, and after training them, they select the best. Recruitment, as I told you before, that it is a positive process where we take maximum number of people. But selection is a negative process where we take away all the organization people who are not needed and select the best, or you can say better than the best. Recruitment is a process where we select best people, and selection is the process where we select better than the best people. Okay, we select best at the level of recruitment and better than the best at the level of you can say selection. Now this HRM is a department which takes into consideration all these activities. HRM department क्या करता है? They make do this activity for the organization. ठीक है? What is their main work? They work for the, you can say, manpower planning. Yes or no? First they will do manpower planning. Second, they will work for the compensation of these people. They will work for the compensation of this manpower. ठीक है? How they will manpower do the manpower planning? They plan for the required number of staff. वो लोग required number of staff के बारे में plan करेंगे. Required staff को plan करेंगे, and they carefully select the you can say staff and put them at the proper place. Right person should be put at right place. Like for example, Sachin Tendulkar को हमेशा बोले कि you work as a chef. That means you selected a wrong person to become a chef. So you have to select a right person for the right job. Then compensation. Compensation means it is at the end of the day, it is all about money. So you have to give proper compensation to the employees. There are two type of compensation. One is monetary. Second is non-monetary. मॉनिटरी में आपके कंपनसेशन में आ जाता है कि भाई सैलरी है, आप सैलरी दे रहे हो, या फिर आप उनको यू आर गिविंग एक्स्ट्रा बेनिफिट्स लाइक मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़. दे आर इंक्लूडेड इन योर compensation, you would say monetary compensation. Yes or no? Non-monetary compensation में include होगा appreciation, making him the employee of the month of year. आप जाओगे ना, if you'll go to McDonald's, you will find a board where you would have photograph of employee of the month. ठीक है, तो this is non-monetary compensation. Both should be given. So all this monetary and non-monetary compensation are determined by the human resource management or human resource department. यहाँ पर जो HR manager है, human resource manager, they make different policies and strategies to bring contented एम्प्लॉयज़, अच्छे एम्प्लॉयज़ को ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में लाना है, एंड यू हैव टू कीप देम टिल देयर रिटायरमेंट. ठीक है, ड्रॉप आउट नहीं होना चाहिए. एम्प्लॉय शुड नॉट ड्रॉप आउट ऑफ योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट और कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट. ओके, लेट अस सी व्हाट इज गिवन नेक्स्ट. प्रोसेस ऑफ स्टाफिंग थोड़ा लंबा हो जाएगा, तो वी विल एंड विद द नोट दैट ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट की पॉलिसी क्या होनी चाहिए. दैट टेक केयर ऑफ योर मेन. दिस इज माई फेवरेट फ्रेज, टेक केयर ऑफ योर मेन, एंड men will take care of all other problems for you. Means you have to take care of your employees. आपको अपने employees का ध्यान रखना है. एक अच्छे employee को अपनी company में you have to keep him intact in your company and they will solve all other problems for you. आपको सिर्फ employees की problem solve करनी है, organization की problem वो आपके लिए solve कर देगा. Fine. So this is all about your human resource management, you can say human resource management, HRM or HRD department, and importance of staffing. So your question or homework for today will be, आपका homework रहेगा, explain the importance of staffing. Explain the importance of staffing. Second question you will write down is, what is human resource management? What is human resource management, or what is the process of human resource management? Okay, so let us start. This is the end of our lecture. I want all of you to stay home, stay safe, and prepare for your test.